Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix not enough goods to sell on Skylines. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you're experiencing a shortage of goods to sell in Cities Skylines, there are few strategies you can try to address the issue. First, industrial zone expansion. Consider expanding your industrial zones or creating new ones. Industrial zones are the primary source of goods production in the game. Increase the number and size of the industrial buildings to boost the production of goods. Industrial specialization. Yes. So focus on industrial specialization to maximize the production of specific goods. Specialized industries can produce goods more efficiently and generate a higher output. Experiment with different types of specialized industries such as forestry, farming, oil, or ore, depending on the available resources in your city. Improve transportation. Ensure that your industrial areas have efficient transportation networks. Goods needs to be transported from industrial zones to commercial areas for sale. Build well-connected road networks, ensure smooth traffic flow, and consider adding cargo train or cargo ship connections to facilitate the movement of goods. Check supply chain. Access your city's supply chain to identify any bottlenecks or issues. Make sure that your industries have access to the necessary raw materials to produce goods. If you're lacking resources like ore, oil, or farming fields, expand or create new zones to increase the supply. Education and services. Ensure that your industrial areas have access to education and other necessary services. Well educated workers tend to be more efficient and productive. Place schools, universities, and other relevant services nearby to improve the quality of the workforce. Industrial policies. Utilize industrial policies to enhance production and efficiency. Implement policies like Industry 4.0, industrial space planning, or logistics boosts to increase productivity, reduce pollution, or improve transport efficiency. And the last one, commercial demand. Check the demand for commercial zones in your city. If there isn't enough demand for goods, it can result in a shortage. Ensure that your city's population and commercial areas are growing steadily to create sufficient demand for goods. By implementing these strategies, you should be able to increase the production and availability of goods in your city, resolving the issue or not having enough goods to sell cities skylines. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.